Alright guys, today is the day we give you guys the X-Pipe!
Ready for this? Yeah, we got him!
Alright, let's
Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, so today we are going to find an automotive shop to install the X-Pipe because we don't have a lift and we need somebody with a lift to do this. We just don't have enough clearance to get underneath. We're too swole.
Yeah.
So
too buff!
Too buff. So we're off to go find a shop to do this for us. And yeah, we'll see you there. Alright guys, so basically this is the part we couldn't do. We couldn't get up underneath the car and remove the two bearings that basically hold the pipe together. And you have to be able to get under that and get the leverage to pry it out. You excited to hear it, Vince?
We're ready for disappointment.
You're ready for disappointment? I think it's definitely going to be like, yeah, you know, it's not going to be as good as it was before, for sure.
Alright guys, the X-Pipe is installed!
Installed!
It's installed!
But seriously, hold on. Seriously guys, Sark's Automotive LLC here in Greenville, South Carolina, they were great. So if you need any work done, good price, good guys in general, so come check them out. Yeah, thanks again, Sark's Automotive. Alright guys, the X-Pipe is on. We're excited. We're gonna give it a listen. And you guys just gotta sit back and enjoy that sweet, sweet Italian V8. Alright, Vince.
Right here.
I know I'm going.
Right here, faster.
I'm going.
Ready?
Let's go. Woo! Okay. We're gonna piss so many people off. Guys, this is what it sounds like when the valves are closed, and now Vince is going to open up the valves, and this we're going to let you guys know what it sounds like. Yep. Much deeper, like a much more grumpier tone. So now we're gonna close the valves, give them revs. Close those valves again, give them a rev. All right, go again. Oh yeah, sounds like a weenie. Sounds like a weenie, but give them more, give them more, give them more. They want more. Oh my God, it's a weenie with the valves. Okay, at high revs, it does sound pretty good when you get to the higher revs. Now, open up the valves, and this is what it sounds like. Yep, go. Oh my God. Oh!
Alright guys, so I'm about to give it a pull inside the parking garage. Peyton is outside the car, I'm inside the car, so we're gonna give you 2 different angles. You ready? Woo! That is a kick-ass sound.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to an exclusive, undisclosed location where we take our cars. None of you can go here. Okay?
It's our spot!
It's our spot. Where we're gonna give this thing some rips down the road, nobody's in danger, and let you guys hear how it sounds under load. So I think you guys will really appreciate this, and we'll see you in a minute.
Woo! God damn! That killed my ears. That sounded, that baby screaming! Screaming! Just like that, he's gone with the wind. How can you not enjoy that sound?
Let's see if this dude in this Maserati will give me a ride home. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Go like this. Is there white shit? Looks like I'm doing cocaine.
You look like shit all the time, dude.
Damn, it's not even what I said. Damn. Makes the job so much